Our next award is posthumous to the memory of Charlie Richard. Charlie built Baker University into one of the best small college football programs in the country during the 14 seasons that he coached there in Baldwin City. He had kind of a fatherly style. He knew football, and he guided Baker to a record, unbelievable record, 123 wins and 28 losses and one tie from 1980 to 1994. He led Baker to 11 Heart of America championships, 10 NAIA playoff appearances, and a victory in the 1985 Sunflower Bowl. He graduated from William Jewell College, where he was the team's quarterback, and he led the Cardinal to a 9-1 record as a senior. Tragically, his life ended as he was meeting with his fellow coaches in a football meeting in 1994 right there on the campus at Baker University. Charlie Richard goes into the Kansas Sports Hall of Fame posthumously. Are any members of Charlie's family here today? Please stand up. We'll give you a round of applause. Thank you for